Hello, welcome to Cooler Master Lab. I'm your host Rudy. In the intense world of racing, every second counts. Drivers dedicate thousands of hours of practice off the track to shave just a few seconds of their performance during the race. Just like any other sport, the equipment can give you an edge over the competition. That is why we sought to create the most rigid and versatile sim racing cockpit in the market. To reach our goal, we could develop Dyn X with professional drivers and sim racers. So let's get closer to Dyn X. Dyn X's rigidity enhances haptic feedback to the driver, making driver better at sim racing and making Dyn X a better tool for training professional drivers. You even feel the terrain type under each of 4 wheels individually. With more data from the game, users are able to shave seconds of lap time, and pro drivers find it feels more like their track car. The cockpit of Dyn X uses industrial-grade carbon steel. With a tensile strength of 370 megapascal, it's over 27% stronger than the industry standard. Instead of using bolted connections, our cockpit is welded, just like a roll cage. And we used industrial-grade carbon steel that is 3 times more rigid than an aluminum frame. An aerospace engineer was a part of every design decision, drawing experience and knowledge from over 15 years at NASA Jet Propulsion Lab. Adding a motion system, we measured that over 90% of the actuator movement are transmitted to the seat mount. Dyn X boasts incredible rigidity, with the full cockpit providing exceptional stability and durability during intense operation. Dyn X is equipped with a motion system featuring 2 inches of travel and a top speed of almost 8 inches per second. It provides multi-directional motion feedback, reflecting different vibrations caused by cornering or driving over various surfaces. We use a high-end direct drive steering wheel base, co-branded by Cooler Master and SimuCube 2 Pro. During sharp turns or skids, the steering wheel generates powerful torque far beyond standard direct drive steering wheels. This is the realism brought by 25 Nm of torque, like you're controlling a real race car, battling to control the vehicle. To fully recreate the seating posture in a race car, Dyn X features a fiberglass racing seat that offers excellent support and immersion, suitable for extended simulated driving sessions. And there is something unique. The Dyn X offers 14 diverse driving positions. That's right, 14 positions with 1 adjustment. To easily accommodate everything from Formula, GT, LMP, NASCAR, rallies, semi-truck, trophy truck, and many others. No matter what type of racing driver you are, Dyn X can adapt to your driving position. Dyn X is compatible with countless steering wheels, pedal sets, racing seats, shifters, and handbrakes, like SimuCube, Huizenveld, and most brands on the market. And the ease of assembly is touted as the best in its class and takes a fraction of time to build. Once you're ready, just bolt on the universal motion system mount, which is compatible with D-Box, Sigma Integrale, and motion systems. This means that no matter what your needs are, Dyn X can offer optimal compatibility, allowing you to customize a unique sim racing rig according to your preferences. Moving away from the utilitarian design of most sim racing cockpits, the Dyn X has the sleek lines of a race car. As you fit yourself into the welded roll cage frame, your immersion will amplify. With Dyn X, drivers are no longer constrained by time or space and can practice laps freely. Your sim racing cockpit is the foundational element in your sim racing experience. The Dyn X makes no compromises in rigidity, versatility, or aesthetics. And with the enhanced haptic feedback, you will be able to drive your vehicle at its absolute limit and take the checkered flag. Thank you for watching Cooler Master Lab. Let us know if you liked the video. See you next time.